Hello everyone. Welcome back to Electric Tornado. It's July 15th on Tacos Tuesday, and we have some weather to talk about, so let's get into it. Firstly, we have an enhanced risk in central Nebraska, as we have a 30% red wind risk, as some very strong storms could develop this afternoon or evening as supercells or clusters. If you live inside the orange enhanced risk, be prepared for hail, an isolated tornado or two out of the initial supercells, and some winds up to 80 miles per hour. The cities this includes is Broken Bow, O'Neill, and North Platte. Some supercells will have a chance of developing this afternoon or evening around this area with the chance of producing tornadoes, as we have a 2% tornado risk that includes parts of South Dakota and Nebraska. An isolated tornado or two will be possible. Some of the cities this tornado risk includes is O'Neill, Vermilion, Winter, Valentine, and Sioux Falls. We also have another area that we are watching that has a concern to see an isolated tornado or two today, as we have another 2% tornado risk for northern Wisconsin, parts of eastern Minnesota, and into the upper peninsula of Michigan, as some storms up here will have a chance to produce a tornado or two. Then we have another slight risk today in Wyoming that includes the city of Casper, as some scattered damaging severe thunderstorms will be possible. Some isolated strong storms will be possible in southeast Idaho, Salt Lake City, and even parts of Nevada today. Southeast Arizona will also have a chance to see some scattered severe thunderstorms today, including Nogales and Tucson. Let's check out our Day 2 severe weather outlook for July 16th on Wednesday. For Wednesday on July 16th, we have a small slight risk for a very populated area including Davenport, Chicago, Joliet, Waukegan, Milwaukee, Oshkosh, and Madison. Firstly, let's check out our tornado risk for that area, as we have a 2% tornado risk, as an isolated tornado or two will actually be possible around Chicago and Davenport on Wednesday. Make sure to stay weather aware if you live in that area. These lines of storms will likely produce a lot of damaging winds in northern Illinois for Wednesday. Then some scattered severe weather will be possible in the marginal risk, kind of surrounding the slight risk. Some pop-up storms will also be possible in Indiana, Kentucky, and Ohio for Wednesday, with a small chance of producing damaging winds, but that may change. For July 17th, we don't even have a severe weather outlook. That could change for Louisiana. So this is a perfect time to talk about the tropical disturbance in the Gulf of America. East of the Florida Peninsula into the northeastern Gulf, satellite and radar data indicate that the shower and thunderstorm activity associated with the low pressure located just offshore of the east coast of Florida remains disorganized. This system is forecasted to move westward across the Florida Peninsula today and then reach the northeastern Gulf by Wednesday. Environmental conditions appear generally favorable for additional development. So some excessive rainfall and flooding will be possible around Orlando today. This possible future storm, named Dexter, will most likely make landfall in Louisiana, likely leading to some possible flooding in Louisiana if it makes landfall there. We're expecting it to make landfall on July 17th to 20th. One of those days. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.